Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. Today's new product is a chamois. Again, this is going to give away my age, but chamois been around forever. I first started using the chamois in early 80s when I started cleaning windows. It's a great tool. Most people just don't know about it. There are still a lot of window cleaners out there using the chamois. Today I'm going to go over some details. There's not going to be enough time on this video, but I will link a YouTube here so you can learn more about the chamois. But the chamois we sell is a natural chamois, 4 feet by 4 feet. We do sell a couple sizes. This is the big one, 4 feet by 4 feet. Very soft, really nice. It actually comes from the lining of a sheep. The stomach lining is where these come from. That's why they're so super absorbent. Very absorbent, lint-free for drying. It holds a ton of water. The other advantage to using a chamois is you only have to have one towel to keep up with. And you don't have constant buckets full of wet towels in your vehicle stinking up. My kids used to always complain when they'd get in my car, "What's that smell, Dad? It's terrible." In the vans or trucks or whatever, it was always the wet towels that had the worst smell. So the best way when you first get a chamois, I recommend that you run it through the washing machine a few times. Then once you start using a chamois, the best way to use it is just, I'm going to dip it in a bucket, my window cleaning bucket of water here. And then I'll wring it out. Now, the rule of thumb that I was taught is it's ready to use when you wring it out and you get less than 3 drips. So I'm going to see how long it takes to get less than 3 drips of water. I'm still getting quite a few. Still getting quite a few. So it's not ready. You want to just keep twisting it until there's less than 3 drips. Still getting. So you can see it takes a little while to wring it out, but it's pretty much good for the day. I mean, I might have washed mine out once or twice a day. Now, if I did a job that was real dirty, yes, I had to wring it out more. But this is how you clean it. Still getting more than 3. It's mainly on the ends now that I'm getting it. So there we go. It's ready to use. Just have to unwind it. Shake it out. And then it's ready to go. You got a great towel for detailing the edges, wiping up spots. Now, before Ettore Staccone invented the first squeegee, the window cleaners used in the US, I know, they use 2 chamois. They have one on this side and one on the other. They would clean wet with one and then dry with the other. But there it is, the chamois. Super nice, pleasant smell. Again, Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. Follow me here on Instagram. If you need any of these products, all in my bio is the information on how to order. Also, I'm going to leave a link in here to the YouTube video on the chamois.